Are you a freshman about to start your studies, or you are a transfer student looking for scholarship? In this video, I will be walking you through how to apply to this university in the United States without no application fee, with automatic scholarship for both freshman and transfer students. And the most interesting part, new freshmen for this summer fall 2023 will be receiving free laptop. Sounds interesting? Let's explore this together. Hi, my name is Sylvia and welcome back to the channel. Click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified on new videos like this. So this is the official website of University Auburn at Montgomery. This Auburn University offers this wonderful opportunity to undergraduate students with automatic scholarship to freshmen based on their ACT scores or high school GPA. So it says no paperwork is necessary. And here it says first time full-time freshman receives a free Dell laptop computer when starting in fall 2023. And here it says in addition to many other financial aids options, it awards automatic scholarship to freshmen. And when you scroll down, you could see the admission requirements. Freshmen, you need 2.3 GPA minimum and ACT 100 or SAT 940 minimum. And for transfer students, you need 2.0 GPA. And what is very interesting about this university that I like is that it has a bridge program. So everyone who doesn't meet the requirements can still apply to this university. Even if you don't have the CGPA that is required for freshmen, if you have a lower CGPA, you can still apply to a bridge program and still have opportunity to study at this university. But before I come to this bridge program, I would like to show us the deadline. And here you can see when do I apply for undergraduate admission. It says deadline is May 1st for summer, deadline is August 1st for fall, and for spring is December 15th. But underneath this place, it says AUM accepts undergraduate application all year round. So you can actually still send your application all year round. And here it says apply in 3 simple steps. First, you fill out the application form, you submit. Second, you submit the ACT scores. Third, you send in your transcripts, high school transcripts. And once you are okay with everything, you just hit apply. But before we go to the apply button, I wanted to show us about this bridge program. Once you click on this bridge program, it brings you to this point and tells you all you need to know. So it simply says you should click apply to be able to apply to the program. And these are the qualifications, what the program is all about. This is how to apply for the program. Apply to enter the bridge program. All you need is to click this apply form and you fill this. You don't need any separate. It says no separate application is required. And once you're accepted, you will receive the bridge contract, and then you create your account and you schedule for orientation dates. So this is pretty interesting for those who did not meet the requirements. But one thing I would like to point out here is that when you look through the frequently asked questions, just take your time and go through it. But one thing important is about the scholarship. It says there are no scholarship for bridge program. However, student may apply for financial aids. So you could apply for other financial aid through FAFSA processes, which is a free application for federal student aid. But this is not the same as a freshman scholarship. So just for you to be aware of this. Once you click on degrees and certificates, for you to know the courses here, you would come here and see the courses available for you to know what you are interested in this university. So the purpose of this video, I already selected finance, and here you can already see that they have different courses for finance, finance minor, finance major, and here, so that you know what you want to apply for. And once you're already satisfied, you already know what you want to apply, you click on apply button here, and it brings you to this page where you will see there are many great reasons to attend the AUM, but the benefits that students love most includes the automatic scholarship up to 40,000 US dollars for freshmen, also automatic scholarship up to 8,000 for transfer students. There are also graduate focused scholarships, and there are no application fees. You can also get a waiver, but this is already for fall 2022. There are also acts about GRE math waivers. These are the benefits that you get when applying to this particular university. You can click here to contact them if to claim your free laptop. So I wanted to point out to us, these are the freshman scholarships at a glance. So they have different freshman scholarships. They have a standing scholar award, principal scholarship, vice principal scholarship, counselor scholarship, Warhol scholarship, achievement scholarship, so many scholarships. And it's up to the tune of 40,000 over 4 years. So this means each year you get 10,000 up to the tune of 40,000 in 4 years. So depending on the one you're applying for or the one that you meet the requirements, you would be receiving it over the period of 4 years. And yeah, so once you're ready to make this application, you scroll down and choose the program that applies to you. And because you're international students, you're going to click on international students, graduates, and undergraduates, and you click on apply now, and it brings you to this place. It welcomes you to the university page for application, and here you check international undergraduate if you're undergraduate, and it brings you to where you create the account, and basically you fill out your forms, so which I think is pretty much easy. So I think this is pretty much all. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share these videos for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.